Hi students, welcome to maths class. In the previous class we started about the decimal fractions. Today let us see how to add decimal fractions or subtraction of decimal fractions. Okay? So how do we add them first? You see the first question. Decimal numbers we are adding now. You take first given, okay, addition of decimal numbers and subtraction of decimal numbers we are seeing. When the fraction is given, we can change it into decimal number, okay. So 2.7, 35.82 and 140.052. Now when we add them, you remember one thing, okay. First you write 2.7, first number is given. All the decimal points should be in order. Remember that point. So 35.82. So decimal you keep just opposite to the decimal point, and before decimal point what do we have? 35. After decimal point we have 8 and 2. So one more digit must be 0. We can make them as like decimals, okay. Now here also put decimal. Before decimal what do we have? 0, 4, 1, right? After decimal 0, 5, 2. Here 1, 2, 3. So other one 0, 0. Now can we add them directly? How to add 2? Normal addition only. 7, 15, 3 plus 5, 8, 7, 1. Final answer is, therefore answer is 178.572. Okay, so this is called ones, tens, hundreds. After decimal, how do we read this? Tens, hundreds, thousands. So 1 by 10, 1 by 100, 1 by 1000. Like that we will take after decimal. Place values. Okay. This is ones, tens, hundreds. But here this is 1 by 10, 7 by 100, 2 by 1000. Like that. Okay. You might have got earlier this. Second one we will see. Normal additions only. But when we write in order, you should be very careful. Okay. When we add, you should write in order. That you should not forget. 8.09, 0.9273 and 233.4. Now how do we write in order? First you write 8.09. Okay. First you keep decimal. Before decimal we have 0. After decimal 9273. So here 2 digits are missing. So you keep 2 zeros to change them into like fractions. Here also keep 0. Dot. Before decimal what do we have? 3, 3, 2, 4, 0, 0, 0. Got it now? 3, 7, 11, 14, 9 plus 3, 12, 4, 2. Therefore, final answer is 242.4173. That is the way we add them. Okay? Now see the next question. Third question. Third question. 18, 200.35, 11.72 and 2.3. First you write 18, but there is no decimal point here, so I will put one dot and 0, 0. You can keep as many zeros 18 means 18.0000 you can keep, no problem. Okay, 18 means 18 point, you can keep any number of zeros. So here you keep decimal. Before decimal we have 200. 002 35. Here also decimal is there. Before decimal we have 1172. Here decimal. Before decimal we have 2. After decimal we have 3. 7, 10 plus 3, 13, 9, 10, 12, 2 plus 1, 3, right? That is the way we add. Fourth one, given 0.586, 0.0586 and 0.00586. Okay, first write 0.586, keep decimal. Before decimal you have 0, 0586, you keep 1 0. Here also decimal. Before decimal you have 0, after decimal we have 00586. So 1 0 1 0 we should keep. You should change them into like decimals before adding. Don't forget that. 6, 14, 20, 2, 10, 15, 6, 0. So what is my final answer here? 0.65046. Okay. So now we will see subtractions. Addition you understood now? Subtraction also we will see. Okay. Now subtract first question. This one from this one. So what should you write first? 180.938. You keep decimal. Before decimal what do you have? 35. After decimal we have 724. Subtraction symbol I am keeping. Okay. Now subtract. 8 minus 4, 4. 3 minus 2, 1. 9 minus 7, 2. Here 0 minus 5 not possible. So 10 minus 5, 5. Here 7 will be there. 7 minus 3, 4. 1 remains as it is. Therefore, what is the final answer? 145.214. Second one. 72.385 from 85.4. Always remember, we will subtract small numbers from big numbers. Okay. So 85.4 you write as it is. Point. Before decimal what do you have? 72. After decimal 385 means other two digits are zeros. Right? 10 minus 5, 5. Here 9 will remain. 9 minus 8, 5. Here 3 will remain. 0. 5 minus 2, 3. 8 minus 7, 1. Got it? 13.015. Hope it is clear. Follow it carefully. Third one we will see. Third, what is third one? 2.008 from this. So 22.1058 write as it is. Now from there what should you subtract? Before decimal you have 2.008. Other number should be 0. Subtract. 8. 15 minus 8, 7. Here 9 will be there. Here 0 will be there. Here 0, 2. So what is my final answer here? 20.0978. Fourth one. From 17. 17 means I told you 17.000 I can write, because after decimal here we have 1, 2, 3 digits. That is why 17 can be written as 17.000. This I am writing 1.002. Subtract. 8. Here 9 will remain. Here 9 will remain. Here 6 will remain. 5, 1. So therefore my final answer is 15.998. Clear? We will see some problems on multiplication also. Tomorrow we will see divisions. Okay. Normal additions, normal multiplications, normal subtractions, normal divisions. But you should be very careful when you do it. That's all. Multiply. First one, 5.6 and 8. 38.46 and 9. You should know the tables perfectly. 0.943 and 62. 0.0453 and 35. Let us see those. Okay, first one, simple. 5.6 into 8 we should do. First you remove the decimal and do the normal multiplication first. 8 6 are 48, 4, 8 5 are 40 plus 4, 44. First do the normal multiplication. Therefore, my final answer is, after how many digits you have decimal here? Only one digit. So we will keep after one digit from right side. So there you will get decimal. So final answer is 44.8. Did you understand? First do the normal multiplication and keep the number of digits here. One digit is there. After decimal we have only one digit. So after one digit you should keep decimal from right side. Second one, 38.46 into 9. Now remove the decimal and do the normal multiplication. 9 6 are 54. 9 4s are 36 plus 5, 41. 9 8s are 72 plus 4, 76. 9 3s are 27 plus 7, 34. Got it? Therefore, final answer is 34,614. How many digits after you should keep decimal now? See here, 1, 2. After 2 digits we should keep 1, 2. Always remember that from right side we should count the digits. Okay? From right side only we should keep the decimal. 1, 2. After 2 digits keep decimal. That is the final answer. Third one. 0.943 into 62. Now 943 into 62 we will do it first. You know how to multiply. 2 3s are 6, 2 4s are 8, 2 9s are 18. First remove, first place you should leave. 6 3s are 18, 1. 6 4s are 24 plus 1, 25. 6 9s are 54 plus 2, 56. 6, 16, 14, 8, 5. So final answer is 58466. After how many digits you should keep decimal now? 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. That is the final answer. Hope it is clear. We will do that fourth problem here. Fourth one, that also same, 0.0453 into 35. First remove the decimal and do the normal multiplication. 453 into 35. 3 5 3s are 15. 5 5s are 25 plus 1 26. 5 4s are 20 plus 2 22. 3 3s 9. 3 5s are 15 1. 3 4s are 12 plus 1 13. So what is the final answer here? 15855. After how many digits you should keep decimal now? 1 2 3 4. 1 2 3 4. After 4 digits. That is the final answer. Okay? First remove the decimal and do the normal multiplication. Count the number of digits here. 1 2 3 4. So 1 2 3 4. 4 digits after you should keep decimal from right side. Always remember from right side. Okay? Hope it is clear. We will see some more problems in the next class. Thank you.